Myth number 6 is that you can be fired for filing a workers' compensation claim. That is not true. There are laws that protect the employee from being fired for filing a workers' compensation claim. Now, you can still be fired after filing a workers' compensation claim for other reasons. And if you think that your employer is retaliating against you for filing a workers' compensation claim, we recommend that you consult an attorney at Inman Kaminow or an employment attorney that we can also recommend to you. Myth number 7 is that workers' comp benefits covers pain and suffering. This is not true. Unlike other injuries, such as an auto accident, where you can get compensated in damages for your pain and suffering of an injury, workers' comp benefits do not take this into account. At the end of your workers' comp case, you do get what's called permanent partial disability, which compensates you for your injury, but that does not take into account the pain and suffering you went through for that injury. Myth number 8 is that you must notify your employer in writing of your injury for a workers' comp claim to be accepted. This is not true. You can notify your employer orally about the injury. However, there are still time limits that you have to notify your employer in DC. You must notify your employer within 30 days of the injury, whether that's in writing or orally. However, we highly recommend that you do everything in writing so there is a record of it. Myth number 9 is that you must stay at your job for the duration of your workers' compensation claim. That is not true. You do not have to stay at your job until your workers' compensation claim is finished. You can quit whenever you want. However, we do recommend that you talk to your attorneys at Inman Kaminow before moving to a new job so we can make sure that your benefits are still intact and that you are getting the most benefits that you possibly can. Myth number 10. Many people believe that they will receive hundreds of thousands of dollars from their work injury. However, this is not true. While every case is different, people getting hundreds of thousands of dollars is very rare. And the real number, on average, is significantly lower than that. Your attorneys at Inman Kaminow will fight for everything you deserve.